Good morning everyone. Today's topic is morphological characteristics of bulb crops. As per your syllabus, there are two bulb crops in your course and these are onion and garlic. For studying the morphological characteristics of bulbs, some materials will be required to study the morphological characteristics of bulbs. These are complete bulb plant, seeds, bulbs, inflorescence, forceps, petty dishes. Before going to the actual analysis of morphology, the individual morphological characteristics of these crops are given here for your reference. First one is onion. Scientifically it is Allium cepa. Growth habit of onion is it is a biennial as well as perennial in nature. Leaves arise from underground part of the stem. Flowers, inflorescence of onion is called cyme. Each individual flower is made up of 6 stamens, 3 carpels, united with 1 pistil and 6 perianth segments. The pistil contains 3 locules, each containing 2 ovules. While you are studying morphology of flowers of onion as well as garlic, you should cut the inflorescence and put it on petri dish. With the help of forceps, you see the different parts of the flowers like carpels and perianths and locules, etc. Mode of pollination in case of onion, it is a highly cross-potted crops as an account of potentry. Potentry means androecium matures ahead than the gynoeciums. It means male and female parts mature at different times. So, it encourages cross pollination. Seeds of onion is capsules, black in color, embryo is endospermic, crescent shaped. Flower production in India, onion are mainly short day type and long day types of do not flower under Indian conditions. When the onion plant is induced to flower, the shoot apex ceases to produce leaf primordia and initiates the inflorescence. Onion flower range from 50 to more than 2000 per umbel. Umbel is the flowering structure of onion. Umbel is an aggregate of 5 to 10 flowers, each of which opens in definite order. Since the flowers are very small, hand emasculation and pollination is quite impractical. Such being the case, development of male style lines is the best solution in case of onion. While you are practicing seed production, you should develop male style lines, so it will be easy to produce the quality seeds. Garlic, second crop is garlic. Its scientifically it is Allium sativum, a perennial plant of the Amaryllis family, Amaryllidaceae. Now it is Liliaceae, grown for its flavorful bulbs. The plant is native to Central Asia but grows wild in Italy and southern France and is a classic ingredient in many national cuisines. The bulbs have a powerful onion-like aroma and pungent taste and are not usually eaten raw. Garlic plants grow about 60 centimeter tall depending on the variety. The long leaves typically arise from a short hard stem above the bulb or emerge from a softer pseudostem made of the overlapping leaf sheaths. The bulb is covered with membranous skin and encloses up to 20 edible bulblets called clopes. The spherical flower cluster is initially enclosed in a pair of papery tapered bracts. The bracts split open when the green, white or pinkish flowers bloom. Flower stalks sometimes arise bearing tiny bulbils, tiny secondary bulbs that form a place of flowers and sterile blossoms. Garlic is usually grown as an annual crop and is propagated by planting cloves or top bulbils. Though seeds can be also be used, but seed sets in India is not takes place. It requires a very low temperatures, especially in Virginia. Seed setting is possible just after flowering and pollination. In ancient and medieval times, we are discussing some historical uses of onions and garlics. In ancient and medieval times, garlic was prized for its medicinal properties and was carried as a charm against vampires and other evils. The plant is used in traditional and folk medicine in many places, and there is some evidence that it may help prevent heart diseases. Garlic contains about 0.1% essential oil, the principal components of which are diallyl disulfide, diallyl trisulfide and allyl propyl disulfide. These are the principal agents generally present in garlic cloves. When garlic cloves are distilled with water, garlic oil is isolated and is found to contain a mixture. Organosulfur compound reactions: when a garlic clove is cut or crushed, 5 to propenyl cysteine S oxide allene, it is called allene, is transformed by the enzyme. Vegetable farming: bulb such as onion, garlic, a petiole or leaf stalk such as celery and rhubarb, a leaf such as onion and garlic both belong to the same genus Alliums. The chemicals that give characteristic flavors to allium vegetables are a class of compounds called amino acid sulfoxides. The chief chemical that also causes tears and bad breath is methyl sulfide. The peeling and cutting of onion and garlic releases enzymes called allynases, which convert these sulfoxides into sulfonic acids. These acids condense to give a pungent flavor. Thank you.